Transformation is scrap metal into home decor masterpiece. Welcome back to the new video. If you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and also press the bell icon. And this video share to your friends and family members. Hey die emphasis. Welcome back to the work channel. Today we are dividing into the world of creativity and sustainability as we explore how to turn scrap metal into a stunning home decor. If you are ready to add a touch of industrial chic to your space, square turn from some inspiration. The art of upcycling is not just a trend, it's a way to infusing character into your home while minimizing waste. Let's start by talking about the beauty of repurposing scrap metal. Whether it's an old car part, discard pipes, or abandoned machinery, these materials can transform your unique decor piece. Rustic metal wall art, one of the simplest yet impactful ways to reuse scrap metal is by creating rustic wall art, welding together various pieces to form abstract design or spell out well that restored with you. The raw weathered look of the metal will add a touch of industrial charm to anything. Salvage furniture magically way to allow skills turning scrap metal into functional furniture. Think outside the box, transform oval gears into stylish coffee table base. Repurpose metal beams for bookshelves or create advent grand chair using discard piece. The result, one of kind of piece to tell a story. Industrial garden delights take your space metal creating outdoor by crafting unique garden sculpture, welding together various pieces of form, abstract figure of create custom planters using salvaged metal containers. These industrial garden delights that not only showcase of your artist flair but also bring a touch of wishing of your outer space. Lighting up your space, let's shed some light to how scrap metal can illuminate your home. Design custom lighting fixtures using salvaged metal brackets, pipes and even mesh. Create pendants to tables, lamps that not only bright our your space but also serve as striking focal point. So please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends or family members. And there you have a die sticks transform scrap metal into the home decor masterpiece is not only suitable choice but also chance to let creativity shine. From the wall of furniture, garden, sculpture, lighting fixture, possibilities are endless. So roll up your shelves, grab tools and embark your journey crafting chic scrap metal. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.